Welcome to Felicity's Fun House.
Hello, friends. Let's learn the ABCs. Repeat after me. A is for apple, say apple, apple. B is for ball, say ball, ball. C is for cat, say cat, cat. D is for dog, say dog, dog. E is for elephant, say elephant, elephant. F is for fish, say fish, fish. G is for grapes, say grapes, grapes. H is for hat, say hat, hat. I is for ice cream, say ice cream, ice cream. J is for juice, say juice, juice. K is for kite, say kite, kite. L is for lion, say lion, lion. M is for monkey, say monkey, monkey. N is for nest, say nest, nest. We sang our ABCs, we learned our ABCs. Now shout it loud with me, ABC. O is for orange, say orange, orange. P is for pencil, say pencil, pencil. Q is for queen, say queen, queen. R is for rabbit, say rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, say sun, sun. T is for tree, say tree, tree. U is for umbrella, say umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, say violin, violin. W is for watermelon, say watermelon, watermelon. X is for xylophone, say xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, say yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, say zebra, zebra. We sang our ABCs.